So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with screen door option inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and in order to work around with screen door effect for this, I need to go around under effects, and then I simply need to go around over here onto texture. So over here you can see that screen door is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can choose either a black and white color for this, as you can see, and just like old screen, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and change around the mesh density for this, as you can see right here, by utilizing this slider, and you can go ahead and change around the softness for this as well. You can increase up the softness, and that is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and work around with the brightness for it right there. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the screen door effect. You can either choose black and white, or you can go ahead and choose color as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with screen door effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.